Located on the campus of the University of Pennsylvania, the newly constructed Penn Medical Pavilion serves as one of the highest-rated and most advanced medical teaching hospitals in the country. Officially finished in the winter of 2021, the pavilion quickly became an icon of University City and the surrounding college campuses of Western Philadelphia. It currently serves as the hospital of the university and is a marvel for both student-led medical advancements and architectural engineering, thanks in part to the development of the following design teams. Eric Sons Manufacturing is honored to have its signature Dura Trench drainage solutions installed within and around this facility to help remove excess water in a deliberate and efficient manner. Strategically outfitted throughout the pavilion, the facility features many locations in which a dynamic drainage system is needed to safely remove unwanted water. Featured within sidewalks and courtyards of the facility, this unique system works in tandem with existing infrastructure and neither alters nor intrudes any components of this medical facility. Here, in the gardens of the pavilion's ultra-modern cantina entrance, our Dura Trench 4-inch trench drain is prominently displayed. These drains are seamlessly integrated into the embankment wall of the courtyard and engineered at a slight slope to ensure the removal of unwanted rain and irrigation water from the path and outdoor eating area. The drain systems within the facility feature multiple access points that allow for easy access to the drain for repairs and maintenance. To request a quote or to learn more about this project or the products used, please visit our website at www.duratrench.com or email us at info@eric-sons.com.